Shit'll buff out.
I got way too cocky. No, I'm like, I was doing collective countries, and I'm trying to like manji into it, and
It manjied into you.
Let me go see how many Lego monies I own. Broken. It's just this. That's technically $50, dude, not 250.
Cut off and take the cap off.
Yeah, dude. I'll
And then you take the cap home.
together. Yeah,
Or you just pay the $50 and now that's yours.
that's true.
Life goes
I'm hopeful, yes I am hopeful for today. Take this music and use it, let it take you away and be hopeful.